today. So the theme is flowers. So I've got this floral top from Forever New, and I'll show you the rest of my outfit later.
Destination is on the left.
And yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. This is my first time vlogging, so I'm new to this. We're now going to lunch, and we're gonna have a we're gonna go to a vegan restaurant to have some lunch. That should be fun. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get on with the vlog. Alright guys, so we're about to go into the vegan restaurant. We're just gonna try and find a park, which is a bit difficult at the moment, but you know what? I will show you my outfit and Amy's outfit when we get out of the car.
I am so out of theme though. Today's colder than we expected.
That is true, yes, it's colder. We had other outfit plans, but we had to change the fashion fix for today. See what I did there? Anyways. Oh, we finally found a park, so that's great.
If I can actually get into it.
That's true.
If I know how to park.
Yes. Well, we're gonna get there. I've got this cute little pink clip and my jewelry. All be linked in the description. And Amy's outfit too will be linked down below.
Yeah, mine's cheap as.
That's great. Fashion fix on a budget here. Not me, but Amy.
Yeah, I'm the budget here.
Alright guys, so we're gonna walk into the restaurant now. We're just still parking, so
Yeah, because I'm a bad parker.
So we're just not gonna lie to you, my arm's aching, but we're pushing through for the vlog today. This top's from Forever New, my jeans are from Misguided, and my shoes are from Windsor Smith. They're leather as well. And now I'll show you guys Amy's outfit. Okay guys, this is Amy's outfit. Ooh, a nice spin, that's great. Okay, it's her birthday, so wish her a happy birthday. 19th birthday. So, talk me through your outfit. From where?
So the jeans are Lee.
Beautiful, love those jeans.
The top, I think it's Ali, so it's really cheap. So
great.
Cute buy.
Fashion on a budget, we love that.
My shoes are Puma. They're really dirty, don't look at them.
Beautiful.
What else do I have on?
The bag, Colette by Heyman.
Oh yeah, this is Colette. So pretty cheap as well. I'm on a budget, my mask price line.
Great, alright. So that's her outfit, it's her birthday, so make sure you wish her happy birthday in the comments down below, and we're going to vlog the rest of our day.
Yes.
And now we're going to go to my outfit. So I'm going to show you my outfit. This is my top from Forever New. It's floral, which is the theme. These jeans are from Misguided, from the Iconic, and these boots are Windsor Smith leather. And this is a Colette by Heyman, but Gucci inspired bag. And I'll do a little spin like Amy did.
Yeah.
And that's my outfit for the day. Alright guys, we'll see you. Alright guys, now we're at the Lost Deli, vegan trendy restaurant. Very pretty lights, fairy lights there. We're gonna go in and we'll show you what we have for lunch. It's a very trendy, rustic place. And yeah, alright, let's go in. So we're here in the restaurant. You looking forward to your birthday lunch? Yes. So we're just about to order, and it looks pretty nice here. We're about to go sit down, and we'll show you guys our outfit from there. Okay, bye.
We're at the restaurant now. It's 100% plant-based. So good for Stephanie.
Yes, good for me because I'm gluten-free, dairy-free, and low FODMAP. So
I'm thinking of the spiced zucchini fritters.
Ooh, that sounds lovely.
Lovely.
And I will also be posting on my Fashion Fix Instagram. So if you haven't followed, what should they do? They should follow my Instagram.
Yes. And also subscribe to your YouTube.
Yes, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and become a member of the Fashion Fix luxury community. Yeah. So these are the menus. I'm just gonna lower down the camera here. Ooh, got some.
Oh my gosh, should I try green juice for the first time?
Yes, very healthy. Got some juices, got some nice English breakfast, got some brunch ideas, French toast. Ooh, that looks appealing. And yeah, we'll vlog when the lunch comes out, and hopefully be a good lunch, birthday lunch, and we're at this trendy place. It's very, very trendy.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Ross.
all the lights.
Oh yes, we got some nice fairy lights as well. Got some. The chairs are a little weird, like green, but I guess for the environment, you know.
Look, it actually goes.
Yes,
Kinda
it does.
goes.
Oh, it goes with your top.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
See, I'm just grass.
You're matching
I'm grass.
today.
Yeah, I'm the grass today.
Yes.
You're the flowers on the grass.
On the flowers. And yeah, we're gonna have a great birthday vlog. Alright, we'll catch you when we get our food. Bye guys. Alright guys, so we got our lunch. So I'm gonna show you what I got and what Amy got because it's her birthday vlog today. Oh, my mask matches my outfit. Very nice. Got the pink clip, gold. Alright, now we're going to show you what we got for lunch, and we better dig in before it gets cold. Birthday lunch. Alright.
Green glow juice and the spicy chicken fritters.
Nice. Happy birthday. Happy birthday lunch. And I've got the vegan hot dog, chips, tomato sauce, which I'll be giving to Amy, gluten-free, dairy-free, and low FODMAP. But it's a nice, real trendy place we're at. We're gonna dig in and then we'll vlog the rest of the day. Alright, bye guys. Beautiful flowers here.
That was interesting.
Was it good or not?
A recording.
Birthday to you. Birthday, Amy.
Should I pull it out?
Yeah, blow it out. Woo!
Pull it out.
Happy 19th birthday.
Thank you. Oh.
You got your spoon ready?
Yeah.
Wow,
Gonna eat with this.
it's a huge spoon.
Yeah, but I'll just.
Alright, guys, she's gonna cut the cake and make it. And touch the bottom. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy it now. Alright, bye guys.